Hi guys, this is Sean. I'm come from Jiangsu, Changzhou. Our company is Aviv. We are the manufacturer of HDMI cables, DP cables, and USB cables. We make
So what's special about this one?
Yes, this is AK HDMI 2.1. It can research AK 16 HC.
And you have a nice connector here.
Yes,
High quality.
high quality.
And 2 meters.
We can do 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, any length that you wish. And this is this is HDMI 2.1 tool, and in color box. This is our logo, and you can OEM yours here.
What is the MOQ?
MOQ for OEM
logo.
box logo, and then it's 2,000.
2,000 pieces.
Yes, and you can also ask us to adapt this HDMI sticker to you. We have the member of HDMI cable, so we can buy it.
And there's many different. Is it different one or they're all the same?
Yeah, this is the same one. And we also build a USB4 soldable 5 cable, and we have also the member of VESA, so we have also produce DP cable.
All right. And how about HDMI 2.2? Is coming, maybe?
Yes, but now the buyer is too less, requirements is not high, and the television not coming, so we think we need to check the market. When the market required it, we start it.
Nice. What is this one?
This is USB4, max to 240 power, fast charging, PD, C2C.
Which other one you want to show?
Also, I want to show some silicons, C2C, C2 Lightning cable. You can hear multifunction. Silicons, very soft matrix.
Nice. I like this kind of rollable.
Yes, magnetic cable.
It doesn't.
We have silicons, matrix, and magnetic cable here. We
This
make
one is
to
nice.
100 of, yes. This is also max to 240 watts.
Is it possible to do an HDMI cable with the same technology on the cable? Or you don't usually do that?
We can't do that because magnetic will affect the video.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the magnetic is better just for data.
Yes.
All right. Okay, cool. Thanks a lot. And how big is your factory? Where's your factory?
Our factory is in Jiangsu, Changzhou, near Shanghai and Ningbo. We normally FOB Shanghai or FOB Ningbo.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.